right now we are going to see the Jesus Christ statue. It is in the other island, so you need to go through like a trekking because of the other shortcut is have a maintenance problem. Now we are going from here, trekking, no problem. Only thing is from the morning I haven't had the breakfast yet, but still the energy level is fine. So far I'm flying my drone. I'm really happy I took a chance to come over here and I didn't worry about the private tour myself. Look at the statue over there, beautiful. So that's how it is. So 2 trails going on. It's a view deck, retreat house, comfort room. No, we are not going there. We are going there. We are going to statue first. Maybe come back time, we'll check it out. Wow, such a nice climate. Very long time I didn't see this much of sky clear blue. Seriously, it's a breath of refreshing. So probably this way goes to the view deck. Maybe go back time, we go to the view deck. Have a look. Saint Joseph, look at that. Saint Joseph statue over there, beautiful. Let's go to the pilgrimage. We need to cross. Lucky enough, low tide, so I no need to go in the water right now. Wow. So jump, easy on it. No smoking, no vaping. I don't smoke, doesn't matter. So it says 14 station of the cross of the chapel. So that is a long way. I'll go right way, so you'll go very fast. Maybe come back time, we'll come that way. Wow. This is a big hike, short route. If you take a left side, it becomes like a short route, but harder and higher hike. Lucky thing, everywhere you have a comfort room. That is a good thing. And clean also. Wow. I don't think so anybody will go this way. Wow. Wow, you can go. This is not the way. Okay. But anyway, we came in the short route. Wow. Short route, very fast. Very fast. We already bottom of the thing right now. Wow. Let's go off. It took exactly 2 minutes from the gallery. So I highly recommend short route if you don't have a time. Look at it. The scenic view, mind-blowing. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. I think this is the highest location of this island. As far as I can see any other place higher than this. This is the highest location. Look at this. Wow. Nice. it's 12:30. I'm leaving this place and going to take the long way down. You have a comfort room everywhere. That's fantastic. All right. So this is the way I didn't come. Long way, little bit less high hike. So you can relax, little bit walk. You can see the scenery. It's going to be mind-blowing. But the short way, it is a steep and hike, very hard. So there is no scenery also. There is no scenic view also. That is a difference. So it depends upon your time, you choose it. Either way, I do both. The view is fantastic on the long way. It goes along the coastline on the border. Lucky enough, today is successful so far. Wow, look at it. Probably you can see better now. Yeah, Jesus Christ is the Savior. There is no doubt about it. Everyone should know. That's my humble request, so that I can see you all in heaven.